Hello everyone, welcome to Interactive Learning Techniques. Today we are going to see Google Drive. Google Drive provides you the storage, access and sharing of your files in a single secure place. So today we are going to see the Google Drive and how to use it. Along with this, we are going to see how to upload files, folders and how to share the files. So Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet, laptop or computers. Google Workspace provides flexible storage options so you will always have enough space for your file with centralized administration, data loss prevention and vault for drive. You can easily manage users and sharing to help meet data compliance needed. Google Drive using a cloud storage service like Google Drive has plenty of advantages, such as easier file sharing and having a remote location to back up your files. But when compared with to competitors like Dropbox and Apple iCloud services, the Google Drive popularity is always a high just due to its collaborative tools and built-in integrated with the Google suite of product and services. The drive uses the Google AI to predict and surface what important for you in real time. Drive recognizes important content, collaborators, and event using the features like quick access and ML, that's machine language based search enhancement to connect each user with file that may require attention. What you need with for this Google Drive, that you require only or we require only a Google account. If you have your Google account, then get ready for enjoying the feature of this Google Drive. So what you get with this Google account, you will get this 15 GB of the free space to each and every individual who are logging with the or signing with the Gmail account. So how to take the advantages of that space? We will try to cover all the basic, from how to use this Google Drive to upload and access files on any device, to all the tools that make the collaboration with others and with other a breeze. What the Google Drive says? Google Drive says keep everything and share everything. So we can directly go to the drive with the help of the drive.google.com. So just we have to sign in to our Gmail account, and with the Gmail account we can directly sign into our system. So we are signing to our Gmail account. So this is our Gmail account. So in this we can go to the drive option with the help of this Google app, that is in the nine dots to the right side. So click on this, you will get this drive option. So select this drive option, you will get your drive, that is your Google Drive. So this is our Google Drive option. Here, this is the space or the place where we are going to store the different file. A place for all, the Google Drive says a place for all of your files. How many space we are getting? We are getting this 15 GB of this space, that is completely totally free for each and everyone. We are what we can store? We can store the Google Docs, we can store the sheets, slides and more. We can also store the Microsoft files and the hundred of more than 100 of the files here itself. We can just simply drag and drop the files in the drive itself. What this drive says, do more with all your files in drive. What we can do, we can store file, we can see the preview, we can edit your Microsoft Office file directly in the drive itself. No need to install anything. We can store image, audio, video, archive code, Adobe 3D SCAD files and 100 of more files here. So here we are getting the message that you can drag files and folder right into drive. So we will check it, how to use it. So this is our account. In this, suppose I have this file, just select, drag and drop here. So that means that our file is uploading. Here we are getting the message uploading one item, and here we are getting now message one upload completed. This means that we can easily drag and drop file anything. Suppose we want to check for another other file, that is we have Linux MCQ, this will file will be uploaded here. You will get the message that uploaded one item, less than a minute left, means that for this particular, for this in the right side you are getting this green color, that means that this particular file is uploaded. How much file is uploaded and how much file is left, this can be seen easily. So this green color blue color indicates that your file is going to be uploaded and some portion of the file is remaining. So this is one file. We can upload other file, that is suppose we are putting another file, that is addition. So here also we will get the message that two uploading two items. So you can upload n number of files with this option. We have other option for inserting the files in this drive option. So we click on this new option. By when we click on this new option, first option is the folder means we can create the folder just like we are going to create the folders in our desktop. That is, we are going to create the YouTube live streaming, we are creating the drive option. So same the fold same we are going to so same we can create a folder here. So for that we can just click on this new option. In this new option we are getting the folder option. So we are writing this demo. So just click on this create option. This means that a demo name folder will be created on your drive option. So these files are cancel upload, we don't require to upload it. So one file is uploaded here, that is Linux MCQ file is created here. We refresh it to see that particular file folder is created or not. We will reduce the size here. With this flex we can grid view, we can reduce the file. So with the new option we can initially add the folder, that is we had added the folder, that is demo folder is added here. So if you want to add the new files in this demo folder, so we have to initially select this demo and then we can add this file, or we can drop the file. So we are going to put this file here. So this means that this file is going to put in the demo folder itself. So this file, so if you want to put the files in the folder, so you have to initially select that particular folder and then you can put the number of files here. So to move out of this demo, just click on this drive option. So here we are getting the my drive. So in the my drive option we have the demo folder and we are putting the files in this demo folder. So we are moving back, so we are selecting this my drive option. In this my drive option we have these two files. So suppose we want to upload the file, so we can upload the file with the help of the file upload option. We can upload multiple files. So we are trying to upload the PDF file, this our doc file, that is MS Word file, Excel file, and the PowerPoint file. So we are going to select this. So these four files are going to be put in the drive itself. So these all files are going to be upload from this one by one. These files are going to be upload here. So this file, all files are going to be uploaded in the drive. So we are minimizing it. So these files are going to be uploaded here. So here we are getting uploading. So our files are uploaded. So this green color indicate that these files are uploaded here. So we are uploaded. One file is left, that is addition underscore nt file is yet to upload. So that file will be uploaded here. Next to that we have the option of the file folder upload. Folder upload means if you have certain upload folders in our drive, so that particular folder can be complete folder. Means suppose we have 100 files or the 20 files or 30 files, no need to upload that particular files one by one with the help of the file upload option. We can directly upload the particular folder with the help of the folder option. So we are going to upload the folder we are going to upload one folder. So in this desktop we have one folder of this Google Drive. So we are selecting this Google Drive and we are going to upload it. So in this, how many files we have? We have total 19 files to this site. Means in that particular folder we have total 19 files and that are going to be uploaded in the folder. So click on this upload option. This means that this will create a folder that just, so here it has created a folder, that is the Google Drive. And this in this Google Drive folder we are getting the different number of the files. So we are getting these different files which are available in the particular drive option. So what is this going, so we are going to upload, see here Google Drive. So in this folder 10 out of 19 means total 18 files are uploaded. Now only one file is left, that is going to upload here. So after completing successfully all the files, we will get the message that all files are uploaded successfully. So one file is left, so we will minimize it. So these are nothing but different files which are uploaded in our drive. So we are just minimizing the size of the drive. So these are nothing but different files which are uploaded. So this can be uploaded easily with the help of this folder upload. So in this way we can upload the bunch of the folder here. So this is uploaded in the Google Drive option. So with this we have this Google Docs option. So means if we want to create this Google Docs. So we can just go to the Google Docs and we can select this blank documentation option. If you want to create the this Google Sheet, so we can select this Google Sheet, and with this we can use this blank sheet. We can use this Google Slide, that is PowerPoint presentation. We can use this Google Form, so blank form or the quiz or the other templates can be used with this. With this more option, we can use this Google Drawing, Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google App Script, and the Jamboard. So these are the number of the files which can be used or which can be stored in the help of this drive option. Now we will see how to upload, how to share the file. So this message is showing here that the two uploaded two items. This means that all the files of this, that total 19 files are going to are stored here. So see here 18 selected. This means that 18 files are in this folder, in the Google Drive, this folder. So we are getting this total 18 selected. This means that 18 files are there, and this 18 files are completely uploaded here. Suppose in case that, suppose this particular file is deleted. Suppose we are going to make any change, or by default that by mistake that particular file is deleted. So nothing to worry, this particular file will be available in the bin file, that is in the bin folder. So in this build folder, if you are deleting from this means that this particular file will be completely deleted from the drive. And if you are restoring that, this means that particular file will move to its original place. So we had selected from this Google Drive, so we receive this file, so we get it to its original position. Just like the recycle bin, this bin is going to use, or in some cases this will be replaced with the thrash. So we can find our deleted file in the thrash. And once you are going to upload your files in the Google Drive, that if you are not using the particular file for the 6 month, so that particular file will be automatically moved to the thrash or the bin, and after 6 months that particular file will be deleted or removed from the drive also. So basic, if you are using the Google Drive, so please use your files, or please check whether your files are available or not. If that are not available, means that files will be moved to the thrash or to the bin. By default, this is the policy which is governed by the Google Drive itself. Now we had seen how to upload the file, how to upload the folders, and we can use this folder, we can use this docs also. So we can as we had seen that, we can use this, or we can use this Excel file or the docs file. So we are going to see, we are just selecting on this doc file, and second one is the Excel file. So this will be uploaded in this. So this is nothing but a Excel file. Suppose to start this Excel file, we had just selected or click on this Excel file. This is Excel file. You have to just select this open with. What open with? You have to select open with the Google Sheets. Now this will open with the Google Sheet, and you can do the correction in it. Now second one is the Word file. So here your Word file is started, and here you can do your correction, whatever may the correction you want to say. And this all type of the correction will be automatically saved in the drive itself. No need to do anything. So this is our Excel file which is created. So now I can write anything, and this will be automatically saved in the drive itself. So we are closing it, leave it, and this correction will be auto save, no need to do anything. Now suppose we want to share this file to the particular user. So now what we have to do, if you want to share the particular file, just right click on the, we are getting the option as share option. So with the share option, we will have two different options, that we can send it to the user by using the mail ID. And if we are using this first option, that share with the people or the group, if you are giving the email ID, that this means that the particular mail ID person only can access that particular file by signing with that account only. And if we are if we want to create a common link to for all the users, that this means that if I am sharing this link to any user, or I am sharing on the WhatsApp group, then whatever with the, suppose that there are 256 person in this WhatsApp group, that all persons can access. So in that case, you can create this link also. So to create this link, you have to set here the restriction, that restricted or anyone means the, if you are creating the anyone, this means that if you are just copy this link and share with anyone, the particular person can access it. If you are selecting that restricted, then it means that we have to enter the email address. Email address means that particular person only can access it. So we are going to with anyone. So you have to just copy this link from this copy link option, and you have to do the done option. So by this, we can directly send this link to anyone. The particular person can enjoy this whatever the file or whatever you are going to provide them. So that will be open source for anyone. No need to enter anything or email id or anything, that directly will be open. One more thing, if anyone want to access the Google Drive files, in that case the particular person must sign in with the Gmail account. That is one of the compulsion that is given, because you are going to access the Google Drive, that is the Gmail Google feature. So second option we have, we can send this or share this file to the user with the help of the Gmail account. So I am sending this file. With this we can you can set the permission that you can, the particular person can view, commenter or the editor. Basically these are going to be helpful with the help of the form itself. So here we will give the option as, hello, please find the attachment. So once you click on the send option, this file will be sent to the to this particular Sachin at gmail dot account in the drive option. So we will check. So we are just going to send it. So we are going to send it. So we are sending. So after this person added, this means that this particular file is going to be sent it. So we have to check it with the drive option. So in the drive option we will get the particular file, that particular file received or not. So first file that will be the just received file will be the first file. So this is nothing but the first file, that is the class list. So here we will get the Sachin Dhade shared just now. So we are going to test it, or we are going to selecting that particular file. So that will be started here. So this is the file which is started here. So this file is shared by from the another account, and we are going to access it from this. So here we are getting, you are currently signed in with this gmail.com. So this is the account, we are selecting okay. This means that whatever be changes we are making, that particular file will be stored, and means this particular changes will be reflect to the original file that is in the other account also, in the other account. This means this will work as a database. Which file that previously which we shared, that is work as a database. Database means that will store your file. So we receive this file. So that is nothing but the, so suppose we are making the correction in this particular file. Suppose we are writing here Sachin, no need to do anything, just wait, the particular file will be automatically save it. So we are going to the our this original file. Here we will check whether the particular updation, yes, see here the upper update file is updated properly. Suppose in the master file we are going to, so we are going to color it, that is red color. Okay, we are going to bold it, and we are increasing the size of the particular cell only. So 12 itself. Okay, we are moving to the, so see here we are at the other account. So it reflection means suddenly all changes will be saved in the master file. So here at the top you will see who are the user. Here we are getting the users who are accessing the file. So this here we are getting the accessing. So here we will get the who the which person access the particular file, but this will be only accessible, or this will we will get only when we are going to provide the mail IDs in this portion only. Suppose in case if we want to retrieve the, or we don't want to think that this particular person is able to use this particular file, or there is no need of to access. So in that case means we are removing those, we are going to remove this. So if we remove this means that particular person is not going to access the file, we will check it. So we will close it and we will try to open it. So now we are going to open this particular file. See, we are not going to access the particular file. See, I am trying to enter, we are not going to enter anything, because the particular file is removed, or the access permission is removed. See, we are not going to enter anything, or we cannot see and cannot do anything, though we are not getting any type of this. So after doing the correction, we can remove the rights from the user, that particular file can be, or particular folder cannot be used by the folder. One more option we have. So we are closing this, we are moving to the another account, that the share in the sharing account. So for sharing, suppose we are going to, we have this Google form, and we want to share it. In this case, if we are going to set the suppose uh, So I am giving the account. Here suppose we are giving the particular, we are sending the particular form to the, this particular person can do the editor. This means that we are going to assign that this, we are going to share the particular form to this account user, and that particular person can do the changes in that. These are nothing but a different types of the permissions which we can set it with the help of this drive. And this can be set to the drive option, or this, suppose we have this multiple form or applications or the multiple files in the drive, so we can easily share to anyone. One more thing, when we are creating a Google form and if we are going to option of attachment there, in that case we will create the in the drive option automatically a folder will be created. So in that case, if you are going to create the folder, so suppose I'm checking selecting the any file is there. So in the classroom we will check it. Okay, no problem. So suppose if you want to share this particular folder to anyone, just click right click here and share this. This means that all the files which are stored in that particular folder can be easily shared to the particular user only. For sharing to the particular user, you have to select here, or you have to write the email ID of that particular person. Just write the message to him. That particular message will be conveyed with the help of the email to the. So if the particular folder, in the particular folder, if you want to give the permission of the view, so we can set as a view and set a commenter, and we can set the editor. So depend upon the permission you can set from this the different files or to the different number of the folders which are available to us. So this is all about the Google Drive, that is this is a single place where we can store, share your files easily. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like video and give your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to share video and subscribe to channel. Thank you very much.